Hey coffee nerds, I'm Brodie, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite AeroPress recipes. But what's unique about this one is I'm going to be using the ameuus O2 metal filters. These are really cool because each one of these has 50,000 holes, which is a lot more holes than your typical metal filter, and they're designed to be stacked. And if you line them up with these little slots here, it provides a really clear filtration, one way better than I've ever gotten from any other metal filters. So I'm really excited to use these. It comes with a really cool little metal stand here too. So let's start out with some quality beans. These ones, it's a nice Gesha Village, weigh out 30 grams. I think there's only 30 grams of this bean left, like literally exactly 30 grams. So put that there, grind it up. Now I'm using a slightly coarser grind size because I find that works best with the metal filters. Oh yeah. Take our coffee, and so now we gotta put the metal filter in. Take this, line it up here. So there's two little notches, and those you just line right up, and then pop it right in here. Screw it on tight, and we can just throw the coffee in. 30 grams. And the reason why I'm using 30 grams is it's kind of my go-to recipe at home because I can brew for more people. And level it up. We're at 86 degrees here. Start the timer. And I like to actually twist the AeroPress like this so we make sure we wet all the grounds. All the way up to 180. And I'm using water at a temperature of 86 degrees. Again, your recipe is going to differ depending on which coffee you're using, dark, light roast. And we're going to pop this right on here. At 1 minute and 10 seconds, take it off the scale and do a slow press until we get to 1 minute and 50 seconds. For this recipe, since the ratio was so tight, we're gonna get a very concentrated brew. That's why we have to add another 120 milliliters of our original water. And that'll give us approximately the same water for a 1 to 10 brew ratio. And that should be enough coffee for around 2 people. So again, the recipe is 30 grams to 180 milliliters, pour until 1 minute 10 seconds, and then press until 1 minute and 50 seconds at around 86 degrees. Your recipe is going to be different than mine. Try it out for yourself. I think this is going to be pretty good. Wow. Yeah. Now I'm just someone to share it with.